Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So we are sitting at 110, as I have been talking about for quite some time, and it's right here where we are. 110.091 is the actual number, but and it is the high of the previous week, which we have breached. So again, come back to the weekly. This is brewing for a fairly decent trend to the upside that is starting to brew. So anyway, definitely looking for longs, just not looking for longs at the level we're at the moment. I think you should be taking profit at the moment if you were long. Moving down through the time frames, the question is, where is the next entry? There is a little entry right here at 110 dead exact, which is what I would expect to happen. But there is more data coming out today, so this thing could just drop below that and then sort of keep bumping it. It's very rare that it just shoots through in one go. It's normally a very strong catalyst that does that. And yesterday was just CPI data. But if you look at the 15-minute, look at my oscillators, look at the diversions from the previous swing low. We now have diversions, that's bullish diversions. And we're coming up to a very strong area of support. So this could very well be what you're looking for. This was the data, big up, big down, and then we're grinding lower, and now we're sort of settling out. I would be cautious, to be honest. Look at this volatility. I don't really want to get stuck in that, but I would still be cautious and just keep your eyes open for the next bit of data that's going to come out, which could very well put you in a position that makes you a bit of money, but it could also put you in a position that you could lose some money. So patience is very key. You look at the 15 minutes here, there was no real structure for an entry. It was a bit of a grind and then chaos, and then we're back down to where the grind was. So I would be waiting for a decent retest of either 110 dead or 110.091. So I want to see that in market opening hours, so during the European session preferably. If we get it, there would be a great opportunity to get some longs. You're looking for pin bars, you're looking for inside bars and engulfing bars. They must be on the level exact. And this pin bar is almost in play. Oh, sorry, range bar, not pin bar. This range bar that we had here, that's almost in play. That's at 110.41. So that's what we're waiting for. We're waiting for a decent retest of this area. And it may just grind and slip through it, so just be prepared for that. And then you'd be looking for something a bit lower down, which quite honestly I would be a little bit more comfortable with. And the problem with my thought process, there's a pin bar that's probably the closest one. So the problem with my thought process is it would take out the low of yesterday, which would not be very bullish at all. That would be 109.753. So anyway, pay attention to 110. There's 3 levels around 110. Pay very close attention to it at the European Open. If it is defended, there's a great opportunity for a long. And don't risk too much because we are extended. Sorry, I just want to scroll left here because we need to figure out where is the next high take profit area. There's a pin bar here at 110.398. Let's just see how that translates. We've already hit that. Let's try and see if we can see something on the daily. That would be the next one there, and that is 110.671. So strong area of potential resistance. That's kind of what we're dealing with today. Okay, so anyway, when you're on the 15 minutes, those levels are quite far apart. You look at that, that's fairly decent opportunities. It's 200 points, 400 points, 500 points, so fairly decent opportunities to make money. Right, so 110 it is. Pay attention. If we defend that decently, there's a great opportunity. Just have a look at your economic data calendar as well. When is the next lot of data coming up that's going to impact the euro or the dollar? And I would probably just sit aside and wait for that data before making any calls anyway. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.